Hi, my name is Steve. In today's video, we're going to look at a simple trend following method of entering trades, something that I find easy to read on the chart and would be great for beginners. So let's have a look at the chart and I'll show you what I mean. In this setup, we're using three different indicators. Actually, we're using moving averages and stochastic as well as Heiken Ashi candles. And stochastic is just the standard settings. I believe in this one it is, let's see, 14, 3, and 3. For the moving averages, we have 5 moving averages set up here, but we can actually do this with 3 if you like as well. But the numbers are simple, just 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 for the moving averages, and Heiken Ashi candles as well. Now what we're looking at is for an entry, we want to see higher highs and higher lows, so we can see a trend direction like we have here. We see a pullback in the stochastic, and also we can see the pullback into the moving averages, and then we close again above the moving average. So here would be our entry. Our stop loss goes below the swing low, so in this case it's about 45 pips, and I usually go for about 1.5 R, so that would be around about 55, 58, close to 60 pips anyway for the profit. This one moved up probably about 80 pips, so that would have been a good entry. We do have another set up here. This one, the pullback on the stochastic didn't actually go very far, but we do have the same setup on the moving averages. So all we want is the first pullback each day if it is into the moving averages. This one is good because the candle went right below the moving averages but didn't close below. So once we close above the moving averages, there is our entry, and this one is 50 pips, so 75 would have been my 1.5 R. This run went for about 90 pips, so it would have made it easily. And we can actually have a look at that by moving forward on the chart. We'll just see how this actually appears as it is actually happening. So here we can see a pullback to the moving averages happening here. Looking now for a signal to go short. We didn't get it in this case. We've actually got a change of direction, which is fine. So now we're looking for a long entry. Now we're looking for a short again. We'll keep looking, we'll find one of the setups here in a moment. So here was a setup or pullback to the moving averages and then an entry. That is about 22 pips stop loss. And I think it would have actually reached our take profit, which is about 33. This one went up to about 36. So yes, that would have actually been a successful trade for us. I'll just have a look to see if anything else shows up. Actually, there was a good setup there. Another entry, again around about 22 pips, and that would have reached our target. Not sure if we'll find a short entry here, but let's have a look. That would have actually been a short entry right here. It's not a perfect setup because it actually closed above the moving averages. I'm not too excited about that, but let's just go back and look for the first candle that actually closed below. We're looking for a green candle. Sorry, we're looking for a red candle. And if you look at stochastic, we've got the close below here, and this would have been the setup. So 44 pips. So the target would have been about 66 for 1.5R. And I think this would have reached it. Yeah, 97 pips at that one, so that was actually a good setup. We can also look at this in a shorter time frame as well. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart, and we'll look for a setup on this one as well. Actually, we kind of already have the setup here if we just go back a little. We can see here the stochastic is changing over. We did have a pullback to the moving averages. It's actually a double top, and our entry would be about 25 pips. And yes, that would have hit our take profit of 1.5R. Let's have a look for some more setups. It looks like here we're starting to change direction and going up again, looking for long trades. Let's just see if we actually get some setups here. We did have a long trade here, but it's not really an ideal setup, so let's look at one. We want to pull back into the moving averages. So here is a better setup. We've got a change of direction again. Looks like a double top, so let's see if we're going to get shorts. And that is the end of the data. So that's it anyway for this video. Did give you a bit of an idea on some entry points. This one was beautiful for a short entry. This one here was beautiful as well. Change of direction here. We do have change of direction here, which would have been a good entry. Stop loss is a little bit long on that one, but hope that you found that easy to understand and to identify the entry points. And I do use 1.5R for these trades. It does actually give a better win ratio than if you use a 2R. However, you can try this for yourself and try with a 2R trade. So hope you found this valuable, and if you did, hit the like and subscribe, and I will do more videos like this in the future.